So let us start lesson 17 continuous tenses. Continuous tenses हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब आपको कोई एक्टिविटी कंटिन्यूएशन में है, ऐसा अगर आपको बताना है तो वी यूज़ कंटिन्यूअस टेंसेस, राइट? कंटिन्यूअस टेंसेस में जनरली वर्ब फॉर्म क्या होता है? वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी होता है ऑलवेज, वेदर इट इज़ पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस और प्रेजेंट टेंस, राइट? प्रेजेंट टेंस में ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स यानी सपोर्टिंग वर्ब के साथ अलग लगते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम स्टडिंग या ही इज स्टडिंग, शी इज स्टडिंग, इज आर एम प्लस आई एन जी, वर्ब के साथ आई एन जी, राइट? सो लेट मी राइट इट हियर, इज आर एम, आई के साथ एम लगता है, ही शी इट होगा तो इज लगेगा, ही शी एंड इट सिंगुलर होगा तो इज लगेगा, एंड आर होता है प्लूरल के साथ, राइट? एंड वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी वो सब में लगेगा. सो लेट अस स्टडी द फॉर्म. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, आई एम टेकिंग माई लंच, द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग इन द पार्क, टीना इज मेकिंग टी. The verbs in these sentences are in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense form affirmative. Affirmative मतलब positive sentences. Is, are, am plus ing form of verb. That is verb plus ing लगता है. Okay. I am playing, you are playing, he is playing, he, she, it is playing होता है. You, we are playing, I am playing. I के साथ हमेशा am लगेगा, supporting verb, right? नाउ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमको पता है नॉट लगाना होता है वर्ब के आगे, राइट? सो नेगेटिव, आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग, दे आर नॉट प्लेइंग, दैट इज कौन सा फॉर्म हुआ? इज, आर, एम प्लस नॉट प्लस आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. देन क्वेश्चंस आप कैसे करोगे इसमें? आप इज, आर, एम यानी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से आप क्वेश्चन को स्टार्ट करोगे. सो इज, आर, एम पुट बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. आर दे प्लेइंग? वी आर, वेयर आर दे प्लेइंग? Short forms, I am not is shortened as am not, right? Are not is shortened as aren't, and is not is shortened as isn't, right? This we know. ऐसे short forms भी use करते हैं. जैसे will not का short form होता है won't, वो हमने future tense में पढ़ा. वैसे इन सब का short form ये होता है. So you can remember that. In case if you do not want to write entire are not, you can write aren't. That is also correct. Present continuous tense uses. कब use करते हैं हम present continuous tense? That we shall study. It expresses an action that is going on or is in progress at the present time. मतलब जब ये sentence बोला जा रहा है उस टाइम पे वो action progress में है, तो उसको describe करने के लिए हम लोग present continuous tense use करते हैं. I am browsing the net. Mother is cooking dinner. Then second one is, it expresses an action taking place at the present time but not necessarily at the present moment. That is, Anushka is preparing a project on endangered animals. Right? मतलब वो कर रही है पर अभी जब ये सेंटेंस बोला जा रहा है उस टाइम पे एग्जैक्टली नहीं कर रही है, पर वो अभी बना रही है, राइट? रिसेंटली शी इज वर्किंग ऑन दैट प्रोजेक्ट. इट मीन्स दैट. देन वी आर लर्निंग कथक, मतलब हम लोग कथक सीख रहे हैं. ये एक ऑन गोइंग एक्टिविटी अभी चल रहा है, राइट? जो हम कर रहे हैं, राइट? इट इज़ नॉट एग्जैक्टली गोइंग ऑन जस्ट नाउ, बट इट्स एन ऑन गोइंग एक्टिविटी विच इज़ हैपनिंग daily now, recently, in the recent era, recent time. Okay, it is used to indicate a planned future event. My parents are leaving for Singapore tomorrow. We are shifting to our new house next week. In such sentences, it is important to mention the time of action, right? For example, tomorrow, next week, ये time बताते हैं आपको, तो वो mention करना ज़रूरी है ऐसे sentences में. Okay, now moving on to past continuous tenses. Past continuous tense हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब past में कोई action continuously हो रही है या अभी तक continued है, या जब हम बोल रहे हैं sentence उसके पहले तक continued थी, तो उसको express करने के लिए we use past continuous tense. For example, number 1, I was taking my lunch. Number 2, the children were playing in the park. The verbs in these sentences are in the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense form affirmative, was, were प्लस आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. वर्ब का आईएनजी फॉर्म तो सब में ही लगेगा बिकॉज कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है. एंड पास्ट टेंस के ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स कौन से होते हैं? वॉज, वेयर. आई वॉज प्लेइंग, दे वेयर प्लेइंग. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेज में हम नॉट ऐड करते हैं. सो वॉज, वेयर प्लस नॉट एंड आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. दैट इज आई वॉज नॉट प्लेइंग, दे वेयर नॉट प्लेइंग. क्वेश्चंस, वॉज वेयर से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करो. वॉज वेयर पुट बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. वेयर दे प्लेइंग, what were they playing, right? Short forms, was not is shortened as wasn't, were not is shortened as weren't, right? That is also used. Weren't you doing that? Weren't you weren't, क्योंकि you के साथ हमेशा were आता है. So weren't they learning science, right? That way you can use the short forms of were not. Now past continuous tense uses, it expresses an action that was going on or continuing at some point of time in past. कभी continued थी past में, ऐसी action को express करने के लिए past continuous tense use होता है. The principal was was taking a round of the school. At 6 o'clock last evening, we were flying to Berlin. Future continuous tense. I will be taking my lunch. Number 2, the children will be playing in the park. The verbs in these sentences are in the future continuous tenses, right? Now future continuous tense we are doing, will be, shall be hota hai and ing form of verb. So what is the form of future continuous tense? Affirmative में होता है will be, shall be plus ing form of verb. That is, I shall or will be playing. They will be playing. Negative form, will not be, shall not be plus ing form of verb. I shall or will not be playing. They will not be playing. And questions, we shall start with will, shall put before the subject. Will you be playing? Where will they be playing? Right? अगर WH word use कर रहे हो तो उसके बाद will लगेगा. Okay, now here short forms, will not is shortened as won't. Shall not is shortened as shan't, right? Generally shan't use नहीं होता है, ज़्यादातर हम लोग won't use करते हैं. Now future continuous tense uses, it expresses an action that will be going on or continuing at the point of time in future. At a point of time, कभी भी future में ये होने वाली है और ongoing रहने वाली है, ऐसी एक्टिविटी को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए हम लोग फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करते हैं. आई विल बी डूइंग माई होमवर्क इन द इवनिंग. द प्रेसिडेंट विल बी वॉचिंग द रिपब्लिक डे परेड. Okay. Now ing form of the verb. Normally the ing form of the verb, also called the present participle form of the verb, is made by adding ing to the root form. That is, play, playing, go, going. If the verb ends in e, we drop e. Drop this e. Come, coming. E निकल जाता है. Give, giving. In the case of some verbs, the last letter is doubled. Cut, cutting. Put, putting. Begin, beginning. In the case of verbs ending in ie, we change the ie to y. That is, die, dying. Lie, lying. So ऐसे spellings बनते हैं. You have to remember that. Write down all these 4 points. They are important. And how the things are changed. कैसे spellings आप बनाते हो. That is important to learn here. Now let us move on to exercise 1. That is, fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs given in the brackets in the present continuous tense. Now we dash our best. That is, do. We are doing, right? Write down. We are doing. The porter dash the luggage. Is carrying. Many doctors dash the cholera patients. Treating. Are treating. क्यों आर आया? Because doctors है, more than one. S लगा है. I dash into these problems. I am looking into these problems, right? Present continuous tense use करना है. The plane dash at a very high speed. Fly. Is flying at a very high speed. The duck dash is swimming. अकेला एक ही duck है. डबल MING होता है swim में. Then these children dash yoga classes regularly. Are attending. Then eighth one, your books dash on the dining table. Please put them in your bag. Lie. Are lying. Lying का lying होता है, right? Okay. Now exercise 2 is look at this timetable. 6 a.m. brush the teeth. 6:15 a.m. take a bath. 6:30 a.m. take breakfast. 7 get ready for school. 7:30 go to school. 1 take lunch. 8 take dinner. 9:30 do homework. Now speak out these sentences like this. At 6:30 a.m. I was brushing my teeth. At 6:15 a.m. I took bath. Yeah, I was taking bath. Okay, past tense में करना है हमें. See, at 6:30 I am narrating the answers. You can write it down directly, right? At 6:30 a.m. I was taking my breakfast. At 7 a.m. I was getting ready for school. At 7:30 a.m. I was going to school. At 1 p.m. I was taking my lunch. At 8 p.m. I was taking my dinner. At 9:30 p.m. I was doing my homework. Right? So ऐसे आप sentences इसमें से बनाओगे. This is your homework. I have narrated the answers here itself. ये exercise इधर ही रखो. No need to write it in your notebook because it's fill in the blanks. Right? Okay. Now exercise 3. Look at the sentences in exercise 2 again. Speak out sentences like this. Tomorrow at 6 a.m. I will be brushing my teeth. अभी इसको फ्यूचर में करना है. ये हमने पास्ट में किया, राइट? वॉज ब्रशिंग, वॉज डूइंग, सब में वॉज लगाया. अब यहाँ फ्यूचर में करना है, विल बी ब्रशिंग. तो वैसे ही सेम यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? टुमारो एट 6:30 a.m. आई विल बी ब्रशिंग माई टीथ. टुमारो एट 6:15 a.m. आई विल बी टेकिंग बाथ. Tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. I will be taking my breakfast. Tomorrow at 7 a.m. I will be getting ready for school. Tomorrow at 7 a.m. I will be going to school. Tomorrow at 1 p.m. I will be taking my lunch. Tomorrow at 8 p.m. I will be taking my dinner. And tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. I will be doing my homework. Right? So I have narrated all the answers here. You can write it in your notebook. जैसे मैंने narrate किया, ये दोनों आप homework में लिखोगे. Right? 1 and 2. Now moving on to exercise 4. Fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs in brackets in the future continuous tense. Future continuous tense use करना है हमें. I will be waiting for you when you arrive at the airport. I will be waiting. The sun dash very soon. Will be rising. Right? Then I dash these books tomorrow. Will be reading. They dash football in the next period. Will be playing. Then number 5, we dash these exercises next week. Will be doing. Number 6, tomorrow at this time we dash to Paris. We will be flying. Number 7, the children dash when we get home. Sleeping. Will be sleeping. Okay, now from exercise 5 onwards we shall do it next time. We stop here today. We have done 2 exercises, right? We have started lesson 17 and we shall start it further next time. We stop here. Write all the exercises which I have told you to be written in the notebook, right? और जो points मैंने underline करवाए हैं वो ये important points है, please write them in your notebooks. We stop here now.